So let's just see how we can pass one list to a function in Python. So as we know, list is a built-in data structure in Python where we can store a collection of items like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the collection of numbers. So we can store them under one single name like numbers. So this is the name of the array. And the lists are mutable. That means we can make changes after the creation of the list. And also the list can store elements of different types. And we can access list item using the indexing. So we can use number 0 to access the first element. Now let's just see how we can pass the list to a function. So suppose we have one function. Now the function can take the numbers list, and then here inside it can perform operation on that list, and then either it can print the result right here or it can return the result back to the caller. So whenever we call the function, then we should pass this list as an argument. So here we have to pass the numbers list, and this way the list will be passed to that function as an argument so that it can work on that list and produce some result. So here we have a list of numbers. So let's now define one function min max. So the function will take a list of numbers and then the function will return the minimum and maximum value in that list. So we're gonna use the min function and we're gonna pass the list of number. So this will return the minimum value from that list, and also we're gonna get the maximum value. So we're gonna use the max function. So we have the minimum value and maximum value from the list. Now we're gonna return those two values, the min value and the max value, and now we have to call our function. So here we're gonna call the min max function and we have to pass the list of numbers. Function will return the minimum and maximum value, and the value will be returned right here in the caller. So here we have to receive those minimum value and the maximum value. So we're gonna receive them in the min value and the max value variable, and let's now print them. So we're gonna print the min value and also we're gonna print the max value, and here you can see we have this output. So the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 9. So this is the way we can pass one list of numbers to a function in Python. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.